Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome to my kitchen. Hello guys, I finally made it home. Atlanta was wonderful. Thanks everybody who came out, to Miss Ella, to Stephanie, to Antoine, who didn't even know I was going to be there, who just happened to be walking through the mall. Thank you everyone. To Andrew and your wife for coming out. Miss Shirley, love the batteries, honey. It was so funny. Thank you so much. So, Crusted Parmesan chicken. That's what's for dinner. Let's get kicking. Ooh! That's right! That's what's for dinner. Let's get kicking. I got some skills. Okay, first of all, you're gonna need some chicken breasts. What this is what I do, y'all. Was in my refrigerator. I usually use like plain chicken breasts. You cut them in, you know, they be all nice and thick. You can cut them in 2s or 3s. I didn't go that route. I had some chicken cutlet breasts, you know, from what's that boy name? People that get up with P. Pills Fire or Purdue? There you go. They do these little chicken breasts already cut nice and thin the way you need them. They come seasoned, they come original. So guess what? I got some seasoned Purdue chicken breast, skinless chicken breast, already done, already seasoned. You don't have to use it. We're gonna make some crusted Parmesan chicken with this. So this is your chicken breast. Now, if you have original chicken breasts, all you need to do is cut them in 3s or cut them in 2s, because you know they're very thick. Throw them in a bowl and then season them with your best seasoning, how you season your chicken breast. Then you're gonna take a bowl. You're going to get some mayonnaise. Now, this is an old Hellman's recipe, but to me, any old mayonnaise work. I got some Aldi mayonnaise. I said I'm making a video. What the heck? So, I know, it's the house. I got people in the house. We actually live. Okay. I'm going in with this mayonnaise. I don't have many, so I'm going to use about a cup of mayonnaise or a cup and a half. Yeah, about a cup and a half. And then it's called Parmesan because you use Parmesan cheese. I have some Parmesan cheese right here, also from Aldi's. I'm going in with the whole thing. And and you just stir. This is quick. It's simple. How much cheese you want and how much mayonnaise, and all that depends on how many of these cutlets that you're making. Preheat your oven to about 350 because these are going to bake in the oven like for maybe 20-25 minutes, 30 minutes top. But these are nice and thin. They're pre-cut. They're a little bit more expensive. Expensive. They're a little bit more expensive when you buy them that way. But this is a quick recipe. It's nothing to it, in the oven, and then you just get some breadcrumbs to top it with. I got some aluminum foil here. It's simple as that, guys. Look at that. Cheese and mayonnaise. Seasoned meat. I got a baking sheet here that I'm gonna place my chicken on, and this video is so late because it's tonight's dinner. And I used to make my videos on Sunday for Monday. Honey, I was tired. When I got home, I couldn't make no video. I told my son, I said, it's gonna be a late video on Monday because I got something to make y'all for dinner, and you can record it and then it go up Monday. So my apologies, but honey, I was tired. That looked wonderful. And along with this, I'm just making some good old box macaroni and cheese and some broccoli. And your family gonna love it. But this is all about this, the meat. So take your spread. I'm just gonna put a hump of it on each one. Then I'm gonna spread it out, guys. I'm just gonna put it on there, place it on there, and I'm gonna spread it out. Yes, and just enough, Gonna take my fork and hold the tail into this. I'm just gonna spread this out and put a little bit more on here. Some may have more than others. and just spread it out. It's just quick and simple. Again, if you use regular chicken breasts, you know they're thick. You just want to cut them in half, cut them in twos, and then place them in a bowl and just season them with your favorite seasoning. Do what I did. It don't have to be Hellmann's mayonnaise. You want to pay for Hellmann's mayonnaise? And sometimes Hellmann's mayonnaise is kind of expensive, unless you got a coupon, right? Okay, that's it. Then I'm gonna take my breadcrumbs. I got some Italian breadcrumbs. I am sweating. And we're just gonna sprinkle some breadcrumbs. And this is where you get that crunch from. This is a quick, simple recipe. And you know, a lot of people don't do a lot of cooking in the summertime, but if you got central air, you can still cook for your family all year long. And you want something good. And this will go good with a nice salad. If you don't feel like making all them sides like I'm making, ooh, look at me. But you want to make sure you get it nice and breaded. I'm going in the oven with this, guys. And we're going to be back with the end results. Yes, about 25, 30 minutes, 350 in the oven we go. I'll be back so squad. Okay, guys, we're back. My crusted Parmesan chicken cooked about maybe 35, 40 minutes or 350. This is the end result right here. It came out amazing. Oh, crispy. Listen to that. The bread is toasted. I'm making a video. These little kids. Now I'm just going to switch this. Look at the cheese on that. To my serving dish, guys. Look at that. And the, ooh, when I say the house was smelling good, the house was smelling good. Look, I'm going to put it over here because I don't want to make an accident and mess up my chicken. Yeah, but this came out great, guys. And I made some broccoli. Just some old box macaroni and cheese to go with this. Not nothing special. And there it is. Crusted Parmesan chicken. It smells so good in here. This is a quick recipe. This was been our Sunday dinner. It's our Monday dinner. That's why y'all got the video late. Again, thank everybody for coming out to meet me at the mall. Crusted Parmesan chicken, guys. Top it with your favorite side, your favorite salad. Quick recipe, you're going to love it. Like, share, subscribe to this video. Other videos, tell everybody what I'm doing here on my channel. I'm out until our next video. Come on Tuesday. Watch Andrew do the mukbang. Mukbang, watch him eat. Alright, bye, Soul Squad.